Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access. Once you have it, open Start and type, create a restore point to jump straight to system properties. Make sure you already have a recent file backup because restore targets system files and settings. In the System Properties window, look at Protection settings to see which drives have protection turned on. This tells you where restore points can exist. If a drive is off, you can enable protection now. Do that before you proceed, because restore points only exist for protected volumes. Once in System Restore, click Next to list available restore points. This displays dates, times, and brief descriptions so you can choose the correct snapshot. Make sure to tick Show More Restore Points if you need older entries. Windows sometimes hides older or shadow copies. Select a candidate and use Scan for affected programs to see which apps and drivers will be removed or restored. This step helps you avoid surprises. If the restore point lacks useful info, pick a closer date and repeat the scan to compare consequences. When you confirm a restore point and click Finish, the system warns you the process cannot be interrupted. Your PC will reboot and apply the snapshot. Let it complete. If the restore fails, restart into safe mode and retry, because safe mode limits drivers that might block restoration. Also run chkdsk and sfc if you suspect disk or file corruption. Once restored successfully, make a fresh manual restore point so you have a known good fallback. This prevents repeating recovery steps later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.